عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه به ونستهديه. أما بعد, welcome all mother pupils of grade 11 to our new lesson today. Today we are going to study Unit 11, lessons 1 and 2. It is about the power of nature. The power of nature. Do you like nature? Of course, most of you will say, yes, I like nature. Nature is so beautiful. Then let's start studying some new words about nature today. Look at this picture. Oh, wow. The view is remarkable. Remarkable. What's the meaning of remarkable? Remarkable means, worthy of attention or striking. It pays or attracts our attention, then it is a remarkable thing. Nature is beautiful, but sometimes nature can be destructive. It can destroy anything, like the tornado here. Can you mention some forces of nature? Yes, volcanoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods. They are natural threats and calamities. Yes, then the word calamity means an event causing a great and often sudden damage or distress. It is a disaster. And I think you all heard about the earthquake in Syria and Turkey a few days ago. It is a calamity or a disaster. The next word is overflow. Rivers flood when the water level rises too high and the river overflows its banks. The river overflows its banks. Then what does overflow? It means to flood or flow over a surface or area. The next word is alongside. Alongside. People who live alongside a river that floods always try to avoid natural threats. Then, what's the meaning of alongside? Alongside means next to or close to the side of something. The next word is dam. If you look at the picture, you will know the meaning of dam. The dam stops the flooding and it also generates electricity power. Then what's the meaning of dam? The dam is a barrier of concrete constructed to hold back water and raise its level to be used in the generation of electricity, and we can use water as a water supply for farming and drinking and so on. The next word is accumulate. Dams accumulate water during the rainy seasons. Then the word accumulate. What's the meaning of accumulate? It means to gather together or acquire an increasing number or quantity of something. Accumulate. Prolonged. People lack access to safe water when there is a prolonged dry period. Then the word prolonged means for long time. Prolonged, continued for a long time or longer than usual. It means lengthy. The word shortage. We say that the shortage of water is threat to many people and animals. Then what's the meaning of shortage? Shortage means a state or a situation in which something needed cannot be obtained in sufficient amounts, of course. If there is too little water, then we have shortage of water. If there is too little food, then we have shortage of food. The word flare up. Volcanoes may flare up in a time and kill people who live nearby. Then, flare up. What does flare up? It means to burn with a sudden intensity. To burn in a sudden intensity. Flare up. The next word it is prohibit. Government should prohibit building cities or villages near volcanoes. Prohibit. Something that you shouldn't do. You mustn't do. Prohibit means to prevent. to make something impossible or not allowed. The word mullet. I think you all like mullet. If you like fish, then you like mullet. Red tide killed thousands of wild mullet fish in many countries. What's the name of mullet? Yes, the fish in this picture, it is called mullet. It is a chiefly marine small sea fish that is widely caught for food. Mullet. The word expert. Experts say that the red tide can cause burning eyes, coughing, and sneezing. Then, who can say this about the red tide? They are the experts, the specialists. Then, an expert is a person with a high level of knowledge or skill. He is called a specialist. Yeah. Remedy. Scientists are working on the issue of the red tide to find a remedy for this problem, to find a solution. Yeah. Then the word remedy means, mean of contracting or eliminating something undesirable. If something that is undesirable, you are trying to eliminate it. Then you are trying to find a remedy. Engineers design buildings which may not fall down when the earth quakes. Then wasn't quake. The earth quakes and the earth quakes. Especially for the earth, it means to shake or tremble. If there is an earthquake, then the earth is shaking. Yeah, the word costly. Costly. It would be very costly to design a building that would be secure in earthquakes. If you want to design a building like that, it will be costly. What about this car? Yeah, it is very costly. Costly means costing a lot. It means expensive. Now, I want you to open your student's book, page 90. Here we want to discuss some questions. The first question says, what natural traits can you see in the photos above? We have 4 photos. We want to see which one are they. Yeah, we have some disasters here. We have a volcano erupts at dawn. Earthquake causes serious damage. Floods leave 200 homeless. Tornado hits major city. Yeah, let's see. The first one. Volcano erupts at dawn. Which one is a volcano? Yes, excellent. It's letter C. Earthquake causes serious damage. Which photo is about earthquake? Yeah, it's letter B. It is an earthquake. Floods have 200 homeless. Yeah, which one is flood? Yeah, it's letter A. And the last one, tornado. Tornado hits major city. Tornado is picture D. Yeah. Then the next question, has food ever been affected by any of these threats? I don't think so. But experts say that that Kuwait has been affected with the red tide. The red tide is a kind of bacteria that came in the sea and caused the killing of too many fish. Yeah. Then question D, how can we make use of the power of nature? Nature has so many powers. How can we use or make use of them? Yes, we can use solar energy to generate electricity. Yeah, what else? We can also produce electricity from rain, tides, waterfalls, and waves. We use all these forces to generate electricity. Now, on your sentence book, page 91. Here, we want to read the article below. and match each paragraph, yeah, with its heading of these headings A, B, C, D, and E. Yeah, I'll give you a period of time to read these paragraphs and try to match the headings with them. The first heading says making earthquakes less dangerous. The next one says trying to find a solution. C, learning to live with nature. D, stopping floods, saving water, and producing electricity. The last one says science can help. Then I want you all take your time and match each paragraph from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with one of these headings A, B, C, and D, and E. Okay? Take your time. And now let's read your answers. The first paragraph that says people have always attempted to avoid natural threats. For example, we don't live alongside a river and so on. Yeah, I think I've just read it. Then, who can give me a heading for this paragraph? Yeah, it says science can help. Science can help us living with these threats. Paragraph 2, which says rivers flood when the water level rises too high and the river overflows its banks. Yeah, then we can use heading, stopping floods, saving water, and producing electricity. Yeah. Red tides, the third paragraph. Red tides have a long history and there appears to be a global increase in the number of these events in recent years. Which one can we choose? Yes, trying to find solution. Scientists are trying to find solution for these things or for this bacteria. It is probably impossible. Paragraph 4. It's probably impossible to design building that would be completely secure in the most serious earthquakes. Yeah, some people say that it's possible to design buildings that can combat earthquakes. But making earthquakes less dangerous. We can make them less dangerous. We can avoid them all. The last paragraph says, throughout history, natural disasters have killed and injured human beings and damaged cities and buildings. Then it is about learning to live with nature. We all should learn to live with nature. Let's go to exercise 3, which says, what do the words in italic in these sentences from the article refer to? What do they refer to? The first one says, scientists cannot stop these threats. Scientists cannot stop these threats completely, but there are things they can do to make them less hazardous. Then the word these, what does it mean? And the word they, what does it mean? Yeah, this, it refers to natural threats. And the word they refers to scientists. Excellent. B. It also accumulates water during the rainy season. In lines 13 and 14. What does it mean or what does it refer to? Yeah, it refers to the Aswan Dam or the Aswan High Dam. Scientists have been looking for possible solutions to this disaster. It's in lines 22 to 24. This disaster, what does it refer to? Yeah, it refers to the massive fish kill or to the red tide. Now, my people, I want you to think about this question. Scientists cannot stop natural threats completely, but there are things that they can do to make them less hazardous. What can they do? I want you to think about the answer of this question and see you in our next lesson. Till then, may God bless you all. Thank you for paying attention with me. Goodbye for now.